Hey, what are you guys doing over there? What are you guys doing over there now? What are you doing there? Alright. I just got back from the gym, did some chest. I have to make chicken, so I figured why not? I'll make a video on how I cook my chicken. Let's do this. The first thing you're going to need is a Pyrex dish. I prefer to use a Pyrex dish because it holds all the juices inside while it bakes in the oven. Before I get started, I like to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. The next thing you're going to need is chicken breasts. This is approximately 8 pounds. I like to take my misto and spray the Pyrex dish down with it. Now that I've sprayed the Pyrex dish with my misto, I will lay the chicken inside. Now that I have the chicken laid inside the Pyrex dish, I will season it. Lately I've been using McCormick's Grilled Mates Montreal chicken. Don't be shy with the seasoning, as you're only seasoning one side, and they're pretty thick chicken breasts, so it'll give it all flavor. I like to use seasonings because they do not add calories to my chicken. But if for some reason I want to use barbecue sauce one day, I will use it after the chicken is cooked, and that way I can account for it in my daily calories. Now that the stove is at 450, I will place the chicken inside. The chicken is inside. I will now set the timer for 45 minutes. And there you have it. Nice, fresh, juicy chicken breast. Ready for the week. And now we'll just let it cool, and then we'll cover it up and stick it in the fridge. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's the next morning now. I'm actually meal prepping for the day, so I wanted to kind of show you what I do. So I have my chicken I cooked last night, and what I do is I just take my meat scissors and I cut up pieces of it, and then I stick it on my scale, and I keep putting chicken on there until I get to the amount I want for the day. And there you go. So now I know I have exactly 6 ounces. I know exactly how many calories are there. I know how many proteins, carbs, and fats. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. Have a great day, guys.